Hi, I'm Jim McCann with Shopsmith. I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on the lift assist today. You probably already know how easy it is to set the machine up with the lift assist on it. It sets up almost on its own. There's been some questions about which part is the upper mount, which part is the lower mount. We've labeled them now for your convenience, but you can see here the upper mount mounts to the weigh tubes, the lower mount mounts to the bench tubes. And the gas cylinder has the large part of the cylinder up attached to the upper mount. This large cylinder is up, the small cylinder is down. The quick release is on the Mark 7 for the double tilt base. Standard Mark 5 lift assist mounts the same way, only it's the same end as down here. It just snaps on and stays there permanently. So the last question that we've gotten is about the carriage sliding on the weigh tubes. That all has to do with tightening these 4 bolts and these 4 bolts in an even pattern, all being tightened the same amount at the same time. The gap between the 2 mounting blocks, called caps, has to be the same on both sides. The way to do that is to tighten this hardware a quarter turn at a time. So you'll tighten the top one, then the bottom one next to it, and then the top one, quarter turn. Then you'll move to the other weigh tube and tighten those bolts in a circular pattern, a quarter turn at a time. Come back to the first weigh tube that you started, complete that again, go to the second weigh tube and complete that again. And eventually you'll get to the caps all being tight and tightened evenly, and your carriage will then slide very easily up and down the weigh tubes for the full distance. This is Shopsmith tips for the lift assist. Thank you for watching.